Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, you guys. So today's video is sponsored by Vevor. You guys, they did send over their ultrasonic cleaner for me to try out for you guys. So first things first, let's go ahead and get into this manual, you guys. So yes, you do get a user manual that tells you all about it. The things that comes along with package is a small cleaning basket, a large cleaning basket, and plus your power cord. So like I said, this just shows you overall how to use your ultrasonic cleaner, okay? So with that being said, you guys, when opening up the package on the back, you do get your power outlet where you plug in your wire. And on the front, you do have your touch controls, you guys, which is your on and off button as well as your time. So it comes with 90 seconds, 180 seconds, 280 seconds, 380 seconds, or 480 seconds. So you can touch the controls to navigate which one you want to use. So everything that you need is inside of your ultrasonic cleaner, you guys. So like I said, you have your two baskets and your power outlet cord. So just to show you guys the baskets and also to show you guys what the inside of the container looks like. So you also do get two levels when applying water. You have a max level and you also have minimal level. And in the video, I did fill mine to minimal levels, you guys. So that just shows you where you're able to fill your container. So at this part, you can apply any type of solution you want depending on what you are cleaning. So now I am applying some water. So not only did I apply water, I did go in with some soap. Okay, so now that my large basket is applied, the object today I will be cleaning for you all is my glasses. Y'all know I love my glasses, but it is so hard for me to actually clean these things. As you can see, it's really smudgy. Fingerprints is all up in my glasses. So this is what I decided to try in my ultrasonic cleaner, you guys. So I did end up putting mine on 280 seconds as well. Also, let me not forget to say that there are other things that you can clean with your ultrasonic cleaner, as well as office supplies, daily supplies, jewelry, and tableware, you guys, such as necklaces, toothbrush, razors, and scissors, you guys. All right, y'all. So now that the cleaning has stopped, I just pulled my glasses out. I have a piece of paper towel to the side. I'm just going to pat it dry. Then I'll show you guys the finished result. Y'all, when I say I am so surprised of how clean these glasses are, y'all, these were so dirty. So dirty. So seeing how clean my glasses actually got had me so excited to try out different things inside of my ultrasonic cleaner. So with that being said, I decided to try out my ring. As you can see, it's dirty and dull, and I wanted to shine and sparkle. So I just went in and changed out to the little basket. And then I put that into the solution that we created earlier. And we're just going to let that do its thing, you guys. I put that on 90 seconds. So now that the cleaner has stopped, you guys, I just pulled out our little basket, put it onto the paper towel, and pat it dry. Y'all, I was so surprised of how clean my ring got, y'all. Super sparkly. So yes, y'all, definitely please check out Vevor. I'll have all the information in my description box below for you guys. Hey y'all, what's up? So today is Thursday and me and the family are getting ourselves together so we can go and eat. Y'all, we have not been out to dinner in a minute, hot little minute. So we're gonna go treat ourselves to dinner today. Treat the kids to dinner. I already got everybody dressed, everybody together. So now it's my time to get myself together. So I'm gonna get myself together, y'all, and I'll be back. All right. So I did like a little 1-2 on my face, y'all. And now I'm finna put my eyelashes on, even though I feel like I really don't even need them. But we're going to do eyelashes anyway because y'all know I love my eyelashes. So I'm going to do eyelashes. And I need to do my baby hairs, fix those, touch them up. And then I'll be back again. And then from there, then we should be leaving. And I'm going to show you guys the kids before we do go. So that way you guys can say hey to them and they can say hey to y'all. But comment below. Let me know how you guys are doing. So yeah, I'll be back.
It's not that I want you here, yeah. It's not about the way you say it to my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You get away, on trees, beach views, and everything. All I wanna do is send pictures on replay. Still right next to you, you do. Try not to scroll. You cover Lady Cover? Oh, no, not all. He don't look like me. He got his arms like me.
Ma'am, come give me that pacifier. What's that? Should be in his bed. Next.
So where you want him at? You want him beside me or Phoenix down there?
I want him beside you. Hey y'all. Hey AJ. Bug. Hey Mina. Legend. Yeah, to the end. With my legend. Boys are making their plates. Baby's fixing the boys. Making sure they are good. Hey babe.
Alright, baby. Who told you this? Hey, this AJ Coke.
No, mother.
You don't know.
It's not that way now. It's not the way you say it to my eyes.
Hi buddy. Hi. Ma'am. Hey, Money.
Fat man got on the screen. You just crank in?
Is that Mina? Alright y'all, so I got my food. My husband got his food. I'll show you guys what I got. This is what I got. A little bit of this, a little bit of that, just to try a little bit of everything. I'll show you guys husband's plate. Baby got a little bit of everything too. And y'all, we got some soup. Some soup and a little bit of everything. Chicken, shrimp, collard greens and stuff. Alright. And some vegetable soup, you guys.
underway. You can kill me on my first flow, hold me till I scream forever, and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby.
Go there. No.
And wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby. Are you done with that one? Rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby. Peak, baby. Peak. And we try to the bottom of my mountain. I want to play in your deep, baby. Deep, baby.
Hi, Ro. Peter Daddy. We got some ice cream. You got ice cream?
Yes! Stop eating my stuff.
Thank you too. Come on.
Mama, dog.
Let's see the stars. Come on, girl. Mix.
Margarita, man.
That look good though.
That's good on. Put this shit on some good old crushed ice.
Skinny girl margarita. That look good too.
We need husky girl margarita.
Let's get some Ciroc.
That's what you want? What
Yeah.
kind you want?
Peach.
Want some peach one?
Yeah.
What peach? This peach? That's mango.
I think it's that one, ain't it? Yes, peach.
Which side you want?
This one. Let's just get this one.
That's the side you want? Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
Peach Ciroc. Alright, y'all. Got my Ciroc. Period. Finna be turned. Like your shirt?
Yes! I like it because my mama did it.
What does it say on it?
Her kiss kiss. No, this says Daddy as girls.
Yeah, daddy's
Daddy
girls.
as girls.
Yes, girl. Y'all some
And
daddy
that
girls.
says Daddy. Yeah. Mom, look at they're crying.
Kyra, what are you doing? Hey, Buggy. Hey, Papa, what are you talking about? Yeah, baby. Alright, y'all. So we home now. So I just wanted to come and end the video, let you guys know that we had a great time. Me and Bae is about to wind down once we get the kids all asleep, and then we're gonna have some time to ourselves. So you guys, I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Don't forget, if you did, to like this video. Make sure you guys share with your family and friends. And if you are new, make sure you comment below and let me know so I can welcome you to the Red family, you guys. Yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I love you, and I'll see y'all in the next video.
Just to say how much you mean to me.